Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve user experience with user testing, full guide step by step clearly. User testing is a powerful tool designed to enhance user experience effectively. Begin by signing up for a user testing account on their website. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features available. Next, define your research goals clearly. Identify the specific questions you want answered regarding your user experience. Create a test plan based on these objectives, outlining the tasks participants should complete. Select your target audience carefully to ensure relevance to your product. Use UserTesting's demographic filters to find the right user profiles. Once your audience is set, move on to designing the test. Incorporate both quantitative and qualitative elements to gather comprehensive insights. Provide clear instructions for users on what they should do during the test. Launch your user tests and monitor participants as they interact with your product. Pay attention to their behavior, reactions, and any feedback they provide. After the tests are completed, analyze the results thoroughly. Utilize UserTesting's built-in analytics tools to visualize data trends. Identify key pain points and areas for improvement based on user feedback. Compile your findings into a detailed report for your team. Present actionable insights to stakeholders, emphasizing user-centric improvements. Finally, implement necessary changes to enhance the overall user experience. Continuously iterate on your product, using user testing regularly for ongoing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.